Mindful coloring meditation. Mindful coloring meditation is one of the relaxing ways to practice mindfulness. It is very effective in lowering your stress level. It will bring you calmness and relaxation. The fun part is there is no rule. Use any media of coloring, crayons, color pencils, or paints. Bring out the artist within you. Do the coloring from your heart. There is no right or wrong. Just de-stress your mind with any doodle or mandala coloring book and enjoy the therapeutic value of this creative process. The intricate designs or patterns of the mandala coloring book or any doodle coloring book can shift your focus towards your inner creativity and allow you to find tranquility and balance in life. Recharge your heart, soul, and mind with a splash of colors in your life. Coloring is a fun and artistic experience for all ages. Allow your inner child to cherish the beautiful moments of coloring. So, try out meditative coloring to relax your mind by soothing your soul with the amazingly therapeutic effect of colors. When I started doing this activity, I always used to get involved in therapeutic coloring so much that I used to lose track of time. I spent hours without any electronic gadget around me. Until the present moment, I enjoy it thoroughly. I was so much motivated with mindful coloring that I have created and published few mandala coloring books. You can also use your non-dominant hand while coloring to bring balance to your right and left brain. Our left brain is the logical brain and right brain is the creative brain. To accomplish any goal in our life, we need to have a balance between these two hemispheres. If you become very much logical, then you will stop using your creative part of the brain. You will stop getting new ideas or intuitive things that are there in the right hemisphere of the brain. Therefore, maintaining the balance in the right and left sides of the brain is very important. And we can achieve that by using our non-dominant hand while coloring or writing or doing some other activity. In most cases, in right-handed people, the logical brain or the left brain is more active. When the right or creative brain is equally active, then we start getting innovative ideas, intuitions that help us to do smart work as well as increases our decision-making skills. A person who is using his right hand for most of the works, his left brain is more active. A person who is lefty, his right brain is more active. They can bring more creative ideas. Have you ever imagined how Albert Einstein and Nikola Tesla used to get wonderful ideas? They got some intuition about their theories. Whatever theories they have given to humanity, they must have visualized them. Here the intuition takes control to provide visualization of the concepts. The creative part of the brain comes into action. Just because they were scientists, we should not assume that they always used their logical brain. Their creative brain was equally active. That is how they used to get new ideas, intuitions about their theories. All their theories came from the creative side of the brain. They must have got some intuition before, followed by introspection and some experiments, they came to a conclusion. So during the coloring activity, it is highly recommended to try out using your non-dominant hand. It will help you to bring out the genius within you. Thank you.